By clicking the link in the description, you will come to this page. Make sure you're using that link. You will see this 15% discount automatically at checkout. You can directly go to their website. However, you don't see that 15% discount at the time of checkout, which you will see in the video. So make sure you're using the link. And by using this link, you will come to this page and here you click Get Started Now. You will come to this page, tell us about your business, click New, and depending on province, you will choose your province and then click Next. You will come to this compare your option page. So here you will select Incorporation. For the Incorporation, here you will have to select I want a numbered corporation. So once you enter and click Next, on this page, you will create your account by entering your credentials, that is first name, last name, email, and password. Once this is done, you sign up. And with sign up, you will come to this dashboard. This is how a provincial numbered corporation will look like. It will have number replaced by what you see here, Alberta Inc. So we will start filling in the information. First part is the account information where you enter the phone number, then the address, and then I am a Canadian resident. So who is a Canadian resident, citizen, and permanent resident who ordinarily reside in Canada? You can read more here. Once this is done, click Next. So this is the corporate information section. By default, provincial Canadian gets selected and corporation based in Alberta. Then the address, what we entered earlier, same thing comes here. Then my company will operate in consulting and business services, what is shown here. Once you click this drop down, get this list. From this list, you can choose the closest business or industry to which your business is. And once this is done, company's fiscal year end date I'm keeping as December. So this company will follow a cycle of January to December and the tax filing would happen in mid of next year. So that's how I have kept it. Once this is done, click Next. So since it is a numbered company, I'm keeping as it is and clicking Next. Here for the agent for service, I'm keeping my own name. If there is any other to be added, you have option here. Then click Next. The company ownership by myself, you have option with others if you select. And then when it comes to director, again it's me and it meets the requirement. So it shows green tick. Then goes Next. Officer, again there is no change as it is and then it meets the requirement. Then Next. For the share and share clause, 100% ownership, types of share voting, and then it meets all the requirement. Click Next. Then comes the choose your plan. There's a government registration fee, legal formation fee, which is one time. So you can see here. Then there is an annual subscription. So this online minute book plan is free for the first year. From the second year, $199 per year is what you will pay. Then managed corporation plan, $499 per year for the first year and then $599 for the next year. So you can select the plan whichever you want. I'm selecting this. Then you come to the billing information. So you can see here government registration, legal formation, 1 year owner subscription that I have chosen free, and then RBC bank account opening. Once I do that, I get $300 credit. And then there is a promo discount. I talked about the reference link. By using that, you get this additional $48.60 discount. So all in all, you will be paying $264.70. So once this is done, click Next. Before that, remember that this RBC bank account has to be opened within 60 days. If you don't open, then this $300 will get charged to your card. So remember that part. Then click Next, enter the card information, expiration and CVC. While this is done, come down and pay now. Once you pay, you get to do the final review of document. And once you're convinced that everything is okay and you submit, the company will go ahead and get the registration done for you and they will inform you over email. So friends, make sure to use the link in the description and I hope you found this video useful. Thank you. Friends, do check out my website, CanadaTriedAndTested.com, which I keep updating from time to time.